Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy Guyanese-style sweet potato salad. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of sweet potatoes, 1 red onion, and 1 bell pepper. Don't forget fresh herbs like parsley and cilantro, roughly 1/4 cup of each. For the creamy dressing, have mayonnaise, mustard, a little sugar, salt, black pepper, and a splash of vinegar ready. These simple items will create a delicious, vibrant salad. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the sweet potatoes. Begin by peeling and dicing them into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures they cook evenly. Next, boil the diced sweet potatoes in lightly salted water until they are tender but not mushy, which usually takes about 15 minutes. Once cooked, drain them very well and allow them to cool completely. This crucial step prevents the salad from becoming watery or mushy when combined with the dressing. While the sweet potatoes cool, let's prepare the other components and the delicious dressing. Finely chop your red onion, bell pepper, and fresh herbs like parsley and cilantro. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of your favorite mustard. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of black pepper. Finally, whisk in 1 tablespoon of white vinegar to give it that perfect tangy balance. This dressing is key. It's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, gently combine the completely cooled sweet potatoes with your finely chopped red onion, bell pepper, and fresh herbs. Now, pour the creamy, tangy dressing you just made over the sweet potato mixture. Carefully fold everything together, being mindful not to mash the potatoes. For the best flavor, chill your Guyanese sweet potato salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this delightful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.